Well, well, well. Welcome to the Vault, where crypto traders get sharper and Web3 builders get tools that do the heavy lifting. Have you ever juggled 10 tabs, hunted 100 threads, and still ended up confused? If you're chasing your next 100x gem or building your first D app, we've got you covered. Inside the Vault, you'll find two powerful tracks: Trader Vault, alpha-packed insights, smarter strategies, and real-talk trading mistakes. Builder Vault, ready-to-use tools and launch kits for fast-moving founders. Our members unlock exclusive Vault drops every quarter: pitch decks, AI prompt kits, launch planners, and more. So if you're done with surface-level fluff, hit subscribe, join the Vault, and let's build something legendary. The Vault never sleeps, but you should. Mad love and peace. I'll see you inside.